This is my final project demo for GSD390. The working title for the demo is Farlands. So we'll see if we open up the start menu here, the main menu screen. We have a nice little UI with some of these widget buttons that become one standard widget, different instantiations of it. So this is highlighting the cover and a nice little design to go with it. Over here, the background track is something I covered with. Just something nice and cool sounding. And then you'll see when you click on it, it's got a hover, more saturated there. We'll take this to our character page here. The thing I'm most proud about in this demo is definitely the character movement. There's some choppy transitions, but through the blend space, I made a custom blend space similar to the one from class, but with 2 axes instead of just one. So it uses speed the same way with the walking and running to transition between that, but then it also uses what's it called, the direction to get this sort of 8-directional movement. The speed isn't perfect on the diagonals, so that's something I have to tweak. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I added some sounds that are triggered by certain animations. And then I couldn't quite find animations that fit the type of combat I wanted to implement, so I kind of chopped some together that I could find that were free and did the best I could. So if we grab the sword here, you can see that picks up. And then if we take some damage here, we'll see that in the top left corner there, the heart UI, there's a little PNG there. There's actually 2 PNGs that are overlaid. And you'll see that when we take the damage, the top one, the opacity is changed, and that's through the event graph. On the event tick, it takes the health float value from the player character and uses that to alter the opacity with some math. And then we'll see if I go over here, die, or get injured to the point of death, I'll respawn back over here. Everything will probably lag. But now my sword is gone, and I can pick up the shield, which in my weapon struct I added a variable that was a boolean that would determine whether a weapon went in your left or right hand, and then in the event graph that boolean would cause a branch that would then change the socket point on the skeletal mesh. For whatever reason, I went through all the event graphs and looked through everything, even opened it up in VS Code, but I just couldn't figure that one out, so unfortunately I did not get that working. Otherwise, the last thing to show is the pause menu. So if we have key there, it opens up with this pause menu where the game is blurred out, and we have the cursor and the UI mode back. And we have the same standard button as before. We have continue. We go back into the game, and then if we exit the main menu, it'll take us back to the main menu, and the music will start again here. Some of these other pages you see, I fleshed out some of the UIs for, and also a loading page, but there never ended up being much use for any of them, given the scope of this demo. So a lot of those pages we built but just never used. So other than that, yeah, that's my final demo project for GSD390. I had a great time during this course. I learned a lot about game design. It was very fascinating, even as unfamiliar as I was. But I plan to continue with this demo and try and implement some of the more complicated functionality that I wasn't able to during this course. So thank you for all the help with this and all the engaging lectures. I hope you have a nice holiday.